Choosing the right roof solar panel can seriously change your energy game and save you a bunch on electricity bills. So, first thing you want to do is figure out what kind of roof you've got, because not all solar panels work the same on every roof type. If your roof is flat, you might want to look at panels that come with adjustable mounting to catch the sun better. For sloped roofs, standard panels usually do the trick, but make sure they fit well with your roof's material, like asphalt shingles or metal. Next, check the panel's efficiency rating. It tells you how good it is at turning sunlight into electricity. Higher efficiency means more power from less space, which is clutch if you don't have a huge roof. Also, think about the weather in your area. Some panels handle heat and shade better than others. Don't forget to look at the warranty and durability, since solar panels are an investment meant to last decades. Lastly, get quotes from a few installers to compare prices and services, and ask about any local incentives or tax credits. You'd hate to miss those savings. One of the biggest mistakes people make with solar roof panels is picking the wrong size system, which can either leave you short on power or waste money on extra capacity you don't need. A good fix is to analyze your past electricity bills to estimate how much energy you actually use. Another common issue is poor installation, which can cause leaks or reduce panel efficiency. Make sure to hire certified professionals who know their stuff and check reviews before committing. Lastly, people often ignore shading issues, like trees or nearby buildings blocking the sun, which seriously cuts down on panel output. Trimming trees or choosing microinverters can help with this problem. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for hooking up homeowners with trusted local contractors who really know their way around solar panel installs and other home upgrades. Plus, it helps contractors find work by connecting them with people who actually need their skills, making it a win-win for everyone.